to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for a German cookie recipe for Hanseaten. That's how it is pronounced. And these are from the north of Germany. That's where the Hansa people are from, and that's why they're called Hanseaten. And these ones are kind of a thin sugar cookie almost, with some raspberry icing. Let's get started.
Only basic ingredients. We need 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, half a cup or 75 grams of powdered sugar, 3/4 cup or 200 grams of butter, 2 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, raspberry jam, lemon juice, 2 cups or 250 grams of powdered sugar, red or pink food coloring, which is optional. We start out making the dough for the cookie part. Cream, butter, egg yolk, and vanilla. My butter is very soft, so I didn't even bother to use a mixer. Cream in the half a cup of powdered sugar. Stir in the flour, kneading at the end if necessary. I roll out the dough onto baking paper, using flour to keep the dough from sticking. I use a circle cutter to cut out as many cookies as I could fit. These have no leavening, so they won't rise or spread. Remove the excess dough from between the cookies. Place the baking paper on a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. While the cookies are baking, as this requires several batches, make the icing. Add the 2 cups of powdered sugar to a bowl and add squirts of lemon juice until you get the consistency you want. This is a typical German icing method, but if you don't like the lemon sour icing, you can add milk a tablespoon at a time instead. The cookies themselves aren't very sweet, so the icing will make it actually sweet. If you prefer cookies not very sweet, you can leave off the icing. Split the icing into 2 portions and color one of them pink or red, then add the icing to piping bags. You don't have to do this, but it does help you frost the cookies. Ice half the cookies half and half white and pink. And do not frost all the cookies. You need half of the cookies uniced to be the bottom half. Then add a small spoonful of raspberry jam to the bottom cookie and place the iced cookie on top. This coloring is traditional for Hanseaten, and they are very well beloved around Valentine's Day. They're great in heart shapes. These cookies look so fancy. The cooking part melts in your mouth with the soft icing, giving a sweet tanginess to the cookie. The raspberry jam is kind of subtle after all the other flavors at play. My kids loved these cookies so much they were gone in less than a week. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.